Welcome to my MIEE nomination for 2020-2021. I consider myself to be an MIEE because I am able to utilize so many different Microsoft technologies into my everyday lessons, but also my role as a middle leader and to support my further professional development. We use Microsoft technologies in our everyday lessons. The collaboration space is one feature which is constantly utilized. It allows us to work collaboratively and share different ideas without taking the time to overly copy information. We're able to use these technologies to produce work like stop-go videos and other mediums to help students support their learning. One aspect which works really well is the immersive reader. It encourages students of all learning levels to be able to access text, which is important to their studies. Having the ability to change the background on Microsoft OneNote has been vital, especially for those who suffer from Irlands, and to be able to adapt the pages to what they need has been very supportive. Having the ability to use the self-inking and digital tools within OneNote has been vital. Not only can I share ideas from at home, but it allows students to create interesting ways to produce their class notes. Here's an example of sixth form work which they could use to dissect their essays without actually damaging the work. We've been able to grow as a school by using these different technologies. By using Excel data trackers, we've been able to monitor students' progress over the course. This goes from Key Stage 3 to Key Stage 4. We've been able to produce formatted tables to display class averages and where they are making progress. And by using Microsoft Teams, we've been able to share this information throughout the school with the relevant colleagues. Being in lockdown, being able to use Microsoft Teams has been vital. We've been able to have our regular staff meetings despite being. One thing which I've really liked doing this year is sharing my use of Microsoft on Twitter and showing what can be done. In the future, I'd really like to teach our new staff about Microsoft systems and hopefully enable them to develop their techniques as well. Thank you for listening to my presentation.